Okay, let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. Back with another crazy story time. Started it already. Why I would never speak to my narcissistic mother again. Wow.
Part 1 of why I will never speak to my narcissistic mother again. Now, I do have family members on here, so if this video does get back to her, I don't care. This is why I will never speak to you again. If you wanted me to speak to you again, then you should have never done the things that you did. I would also like to say that the popular phrase, forgive your parents, they were learning too, does not apply to my situation. That applies to parents that grounded their kids maybe a little too many times, or took their kid's phone, or went into their kid's room without their permission. That does not...
What the fuck are you talking about? She already started off wrong. Wait, what? What are you talking about? You started off all the way wrong. Okay, I'm definitely in it now.
My childhood. So please do not comment that under this video. I'll start from before myself or my sisters were even born. From the moment that my mother was born, she has been a narcissist. And I know this because of the stories that I've heard from my grandfather, which is her dad, and her mother, which is my grandma. Literally, even as a child, she would do evil things to my uncle. She would beat him up. She's a year older than him. And she's a big girl, okay? She would beat him up. She would make him kneel on his hands and knees so that she could use him as a footstool and as a leg rest. She would hit my grandma. And my grandma's a small lady. She would hit her. She punched her in the face at the swap meet. She pushed her into some suitcases. Like,
that's aggressive. That's aggression.
Little girl. So like I said, the signs were there. Fast forward to her having my 2 older sisters as a teenager, and then her and their dad didn't work out, so of course she keeps them away from him. She then met my dad at 18 and started forcing my older sisters to call him their dad. So they called him daddy.
Yeah, I don't like that. That's horrible. Their mom's
entire lives, which definitely led to some confusion and ill feelings down the line. At 18 years old, she got pregnant with me. My dad tried to do the mature thing and join the Navy. And while he got stationed at his first base, my mom's a super paranoid person. She's really insecure. So she tells my dad's commander that he's cheating on her with no proof. But back then, literally all you had to do was say that your husband's cheating on you and you're out. So my dad's military career ended within 1 year.
Wait, what?
They still stayed together for some reason, but she really dedicated her time to like following him around.
Wait a minute.
They still
stayed back
together for some reason. Career ended within 1 year. They still stayed together for some reason, but she really dedicated her time to like following him around, stalking him, following him to work, making sure that he wasn't cheating on her, going up to his job. For instance, one time she went up to his job and one of the employees said, "Oh, Jeff went home for the day already." She snatches the girl over the counter and punches her in her face.
Okay, this sounds like aggression and obsession.
Because his coworker knew his name. Okay, this video is getting really long, so
wait,
that girl because his coworker
wait a minute. Wait a minute.
With that girl because his coworker knew his name. Okay, this video is getting really long, so follow for part 2, and I'll try to make the videos shorter so they're easy to keep up with.
What the hell? Yeah, your mom wasn't a narcissist, ma'am. Or maybe she is. But from what I know a narcissist to be, that wasn't really the description. She's more of an aggressor. She's more of a crazy person. She's probably schizophrenic, maybe more than narcissistic. Or maybe she's both. But she's definitely schizophrenic. To beat a woman up to beat your husband's coworker up because she knows his name is the most wildest shit ever. Yo, to beat your husband's co-worker up because she knows his name is wild. Him staying with her after she got him kicked out of the Navy for saying that he was cheating and he wasn't cheating is wild. There's no way. There's absolutely no way. There's no way I would have been. I've endured a lot of things in some relationships that I'm just like, you fucking dumbass. But ruining your career, taking away, you know how much you got to do in boot camp. What you got to, you know how much you could accomplish in a year in the military, like in a sense of what you had to do, and just to throw that shit away. Or she throws it away, or get you in. Not cool. Not cool at all. This comment kind of got me too. Let me go back so y'all can see this. I hate when people say you only get one mom. They never address that you only get one of you. Listen. They can make another you. That's just how this shit go. You can never get another mom or dad. Point blank. Your mother and your father could have many more children and they could enjoy them children even more than they had you. Real shit, if they really wanted to. You think you super you're not the so-called special one in the sense of you're the only one. No, you only get one mother and father. You get multiple grandmothers and for grandfathers, but you only can be created by two people, and that's it. Point blank. You can be duplicated. That's why they're called twins. You can be duplicated. You could damn shit. The way they going now, they could they could take you and clone you. You might got a clone out here somewhere. You might be just like the Tyrone movie. So yeah, y'all. I'm just curious when people say that, you know. Matter of fact, let me go one more comment. Let's go one more comment, y'all. My mom had 8 children by the time she was 29. God damn, 8 kids. I didn't talk to her for a year. I joined a Facebook group called Daughters of Toxic Black Mothers. Being loved by Black women is so healing. I learned how to be my own mom. Hold up. I learned how to be my own mom too. Well, I guess she's trying to say that she's learned how to be her mom's mom. Okay, so she's learned how to mother her mom, because that's not correct wording. I learned how to be my own mom too when she realized she had to get it right or get left. She changed for the better. Okay. They say you only get one mother. I only get one life. Okay. I could go with that. I get that, where she's coming from. Like, it's like you ruined my life type of thing. Like you did certain things, but I'm still trying to figure out what did she do to her. I'm not even gonna go look for the other one. Not even gonna do it. Not gonna do it, y'all. So,
Part 1 of why I will never.
Not gonna do it. Should I do it? Not gonna do it. If y'all want to go look for her page, man, her name is Nicole with Am. I don't know. Hold on. Show y'all. That's her page right here, y'all. So if y'all want to go follow her. Y'all could go figure out what she got going on her page and why her mom is such a narcissist. But from just this, I don't think her mom is a narcissist whatsoever. I think your mom is dangerous. I think your mom is a gangster. I think your mom is crazy. I think your mom has some psychotic issues that she needs to work out, especially when it comes to your dad. She has some obsession issues. Yeah, she has some controlling issues. So maybe all of those are narcissistic traits. I don't know. I don't want to sit here and look up those things. If y'all want to go look it up, do it your damn self. Anyway, hit the tick and the blicker, y'all. You already know. Should have liked, comment, subscribe the whole time, because I had this going across the screen the whole time. If you ain't know it's going across the whole time, it was right there. It's blue and white right there on the bottom of the screen. You could have known that you would just go ahead and like, comment, subscribe everywhere you want to go from, or flat platforms. Yeah. Probably didn't know what I just said, but make sure you just go through and decipher. If you stay to the end of this video, comment good mothers. Now let me know if you stayed all the way to the end. And make sure you like, comment, subscribe, because if not, you're going to